Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today I'm going to walk you through Sea Ray's all-new 2023 260 SLX. Starting here off the transom, we have Mercury's V8 300 power package. Some features I want to point out on this boat is that it has a ton of storage. You have an air compressor down here for your water toys, a freshwater shower off the transom, insulated cooler here off the rear. Another neat thing on the SLX 260 is that it has a manual shade. You can pull it out just like this, shade the cockpit. Moving forward, you have sea deck on the swim platform and throughout the cockpit of this boat. This boat is equipped with a power tower, so with a push of a button, you can retract the tower down. This helps if you're trailing the boat, going under low bridges, or if you want to get out of the weather. Moving into the cockpit, I'm going to point out some more storage here. There's a cargo filler. Underneath this, it is a removable piece. You have access to your bilge pumps and anything that you need to get to. We have plenty of storage in this compartment here. Dedicated spot for a cooler. Floor storage. 2 Helm seats. The Helm seat will swivel. On the port side, you have the bathroom with a vacuum flush head and a sink. At the dashboard on the SLX, they give you 2 9-inch Simrad displays. There's an inductive phone charger here at the dash. You drop your phone on it just like this. Fusion stereo head unit. Mercury's digital throttle and shift with active trim. Moving forward, again, I'm going to point out some more storage here. You also have a bow table that will fill in. You have a bow filler cushion on this boat as an option. This boat has a windlass with a freshwater shower at the bow. That is going to conclude the walkthrough. Come see us at MarineMax in Huntington. Thank you.